Hello, this is Ariogami. This. Have a look. This is what I hired an artist an illustrator to draw me with a picture like this. And I asked him to layer the layers so you could craft it, which I did, and make it look totally virtual pseudo 3D. I also made a A2 version, which is really big, for a magical theater. I just let them hand it in the theater, which looks like this. Alright, and I'm going to give this away. You could have all my files and you don't need to know nothing about graphic design. You just put the files into a Word file, and then you cut out each layer, which does not look like this. This is just for your reference. So you have a background, that is layer 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and 6. Then you're going to need a photo frame with depth inside, like this one is nearly 2 centimeters, so you could cut them out by resizing it in a Word file. You could just print them out with a photocopier or your printer, then you're ready to go. For the A2 size, poster size frame, you're going to need either a really big printer. You could hire someone to do this for you, or you could just split the A2 one into 2 A3 sizes, and then on 2 pages, and then print them out and then stick them back together, and you do the same. If you're interested, the references here are the Webster, David Copperfield's duck, a rabbit, and rabbit and duck, if you know what I mean. And really treats your assistants well, okay? This is why I gave the rabbit some carrots, and billiard balls from a really old book. Now you see it. Floating rose, the eye that controls the nation, a mystery box with all those chains hanging above, with a lock that does not lock anything. It is an empty safe. And I hope you like all the glitters. Get a file if you need one, or you have an afternoon you don't know what to do with. Thank you.